And then you can do the contrast and like levels and curves, but I just do it with brightness and contrast. So I up my contrast so that white is pretty much all the way white, and then your black is really black. And then you can merge these layers. So select all of them, and then Control E merges your layers. And then you make a layer on top of that.
You guys good so far? Okay.
Got it? Okay. And then you make the layer on top completely black.
So fill it with black. Okay.
So then, still selecting the black one, you're going to make a clipping mask of it. And then on the mask itself, so Alt, and then the white one. Oh, wait.
Alt.
First, you need to copy this whole thing. So Control A selects your whole page. And then I don't have my mask selected, so you can't see that. So I'm copying my sketch page, and then Alt on the white clipping mask. I pasted it. So then you're gonna do Control I, which inverses it, so black becomes white and white becomes black. And then you delete your mask, but make sure that you're still applying.
You apply a mask.
Yeah. So you hit apply, and then you have your sketch layer still on, so turn that off. And then you have your, it'll like go in and individually select
So
them.
it's like a inverse.
Yeah, Kira.